Hey y'all, it's Brandon from Voodoo Forge, and the Mailbox project continues. What we're going to do here is I've got to make a big scroll to put on the post, do the post, and the numbers, and then get the mailbox attached to everything. So, let's get on this. Oh, using this big messy thing again. I think about one more heat we'll have this tapered down about where we need it for the scroll. Plenty more heat in there to work this if we wanted to, but honestly we've got it where we need it for our scroll, so let's get ready to throw it on the jig. This is my favorite scroll making jig. I've had this one I don't know, 10 years, but we bring it out here, we'll clamp it here, and we'll go probably to about this point and then stop and put it back into heat, and then come back and finish it in 2 heats. Oh no, I didn't bring a hammer. Okay, that worked out. Ah, no, that didn't. I gotta get this off here quick because I still got flatten it on the anvil. Still got some heat in it. I want to get it flattened out. Not bad. That's a pretty sexy scroll for the mailbox, I think. I'm just going to cut this off using an angle grinder. Letters and numbers are never as easy as you think they're going to be to make. So whether you forge them or fabricate them or do what I do, which is a combination of both. So I've made this little jig to make the 0 because the size of my other numbers depends on how this comes out. I'm using 3/8 square stock. I'm going to heat it up, bring it over here, lock it on, get my bend almost all the way around, and then cut it with a grinder, angle grinder, and then heat it back and finish wrapping it on around here. And then the other numbers will be based off that size. But I'm predicting right now, it's never as easy as you think it's going to be. Nice one. Run fairly smooth. Once again, I've used my scientific method of eyeballing to mark this. So far, this is going very smooth. So something's gonna happen. I probably didn't cut it short enough. What do you think? You think I cut it too long? Too short? Tell me in the comments. Ah, too long. I knew it. I knew it. Let's take a hair off. Alright. Second time's a charm. There we go. That's nice right there. Nice. Boom. Slap a little weld on there. You'll never know. All my pieces are cut. Ah. That's ugly. Here's my post. Now I'm just going to hit this with a flap disc to kind of clean it off. I'm not gonna polish it or anything because I actually want this to rust evenly. So the best way to do that is clean it and then let nature take its course. I need a way to get my post to stand up while I'm putting the box on it. This is the idea I've come up with. This post is heavy. Hang on, that'll... We need it. Yeah, that should actually work. This is a big square I made for helping with weld ups. None of my other, well, my big bar clamps, but none of my C clamps or my strong hands or vice grips will hold this up, so I'm trying these. Gotta clean this up for where we're gonna weld the mailbox. Now I know I only want 2 inches of overhang on my back here. I'm gonna mark that in several places. Now this is either gonna work or it doesn't. And it appears to be working. Holy cow. Get her set. You're getting there. God, that's an ugly weld. Now I'm using a method here called eyeball it. Okay. Now initially I was only going to show y'all a couple of letters of my address. Then I realized that is just probably not going to be a problem. So, letters, numbers. That'll look better standing up. My plan was to put this on the drill press and drill the holes on there. But I got so excited about getting this thing on the post, I forgot. And there's no way, even with my little helper, that I could hold this up on the drill press. So, once again, hand drilling holes. I'm using 3/8 bolts, so that was just my pilot. All right, so that is, I mean, it's made at this point. I've just got to get it up. The numbers went surprisingly easy. Normally, I don't know what it is. Normally I have trouble with numbers and letters. There's some kind of critter in here flying around. But anyway, I hope y'all got something from this. I hope it got your creative juices flowing a little bit. And, well, we'll see you next time. I've got to get this thing put up, and I'll have a video about that, because I'm going to weigh this tomorrow. And I took it to one place to weigh it today, and their scale only went to 100 pounds, which, you know, I could have used a bathroom scale for that. But it weighs over 100 pounds, so I want to see what this thing weighs. But getting this thing put up where it's not going to go over is a bit of a challenge. So y'all check out the next video where we do that. All right, y'all behave yourselves.